are various plane polarized light properties? Number first is color, second is pleochroism, and third is cleavage, and fourth is relief. We will discuss these properties number by number. First, we discuss color and pleochroism. They both are interrelated with each other. What is color? Color refers to natural appearance of a mineral in thin section. Natural appearance of a mineral in thin section is called as color. But remember, we are discussing plane light properties. Remember that color is one of the plane light property of minerals. It is natural appearance of minerals in a thin section. Some minerals are colorless while others show various colors. Just like you can observe in this view, in this microscopic picture, that plagioclase is colorless. On other hand, hornblende shows color. But remember that color is not diagnostic property of minerals. We can't identify a mineral only from color because color is highly variable properties, and different minerals can have same color. More than one mineral can have same, means they can have a single color. Similarly, a single mineral can have different color. That's why it is not considered as a reliable or diagnostic property. What is pleochroism? Pleochroism refers to phenomena of changing color of a mineral with the rotation of stage in plane polarized light. The phenomena of changing of color of a mineral with the rotation of stage in plane polarized light is termed as pleochroism. You can observe here on the left side view, hornblende is shown with the light green color. When we rotate the stage, this is hornblende with the light green color. When we rotate the stage, its light green color changes into olive green color. So hornblende shows the phenomena of changing of color, which is called as pleochroism. When we rotate the stage, its color changes from light green to olive green. Pleochroism, remember that pleochroism occurs in two ways. Number first type is change in depth or degree of color. Only depth or degree of color changes with the stage of rotation. As you can observe here in the case of hornblende mineral, that its color changes from light green to the olive green, means it changes from light color to the dark color. While in another type of pleochroism, change in type of color occur. This is change in depth or degree of color, while in another type of pleochroism, change in type of color occurs. It means that color changes when there is green color. With the rotation of stage, it changes into either brown color or it changes to yellow color, or yellow color changes into greenish color. Here you can observe change in type of color in case of biotite mineral. It is a brown color mineral. When we rotate the stage, its brownish color changes into yellowish color. So type of color has changed, and this is the phenomena of pleochroism.